was at my mom's friend's house, my mom's old best friend.
You're setting them off yourself, but there's a much higher.
No, it was an adult. He aimed him.
There's a much higher chance of.
No. Go. I'm zoomed in. You're fine. I'm zoomed in. I got it on video.
Actually, but it's not a professional group firing them off.
No, we had like firefighters over there. Like because we were in like a neighborhood, so like yeah, we had firefighters and stuff though.
Having firefighters present doesn't mean they're professional setting off the fireworks.
No, we had a 40-year-old firefighter.
Firefighters just mean that if something goes wrong, they can.
No, they were setting them off. But my mom's friend husband set one off, and it came, and it fell, and it hit him. He aimed it. He knocked it over on purpose and shot it at the house. I got hit. He got arrested too. It was actually Reagan's dad that did it, RJ. I got hurt too.
What's he doing over there?
Who, RJ? RJ's related to Devin, and Devin was having a fireworks show one time, and he knocked it over.
Oh, y'all were over there.
Yeah, and it hit me, and RJ got arrested because I don't know if Mom told you this though, but it hit me in my arm really bad. At the hospital. And you guessed it, Mimi. Guess what? You probably guessed this. You were probably thinking did a forest caught on fire? Yes. A forest did catch on fire. Because of their stupidity. That's red, white, and blue.
That's American flag.
Yes, that was an American flag.
See that one?
It's fine, they shoot it again. Yes, they always shoot it twice. Always do. But Thunder Above Evans last year, they had drones. Oh, I got that flower on video.
In the middle of it, they do a drone show.
Uh-huh. Woo! America. America. I gotta say it because I'm country and I'm from the South. I am from the South though.
I'm thirsty, Mama.
I am not going to wait another time.